What's going on, y'all? Nick here, coming to you with another video. So, you guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to play all your 12 keys, all right, with both your right and your left hand, all right. I'm going to teach you the fingering, all right, and also make sure that when you look at this video and you study it, make sure you go back and you do everything that I'm telling you with a metronome. I'm going to teach you how to properly do that, all right. I'm probably going to break this series into 12 different videos so that none of the videos are too long. Alright, y'all, so the next one in the circular fifths will now be C sharp. Alright, so bear in mind all the rules that I've taught you in past videos. So let's get after it. This is the left hand. Alright, now this is the right hand. This is two hands together, both hands together. And as always, let's play with the metronome.